Kidney-damaging foods and daily habits. Your kidneys react faster than you think. This is not fear and not exaggeration, but small choices can push kidneys hard. I learned this the uncomfortable way. Years ago, I felt constant fatigue, swelling in the morning, and strange lower back discomfort. Blood tests were normal, but lifestyle was not. Kidneys are silent workers. They filter blood, balance fluids, and remove waste. According to the National Institutes of Health, diet strongly affects kidney workload. Here is the simple mechanism. High sodium, excess phosphorus, and constant sugar spikes force kidneys to overwork. This does not destroy kidneys overnight, but pressure builds quietly. Food number 1. Processed meats, sausages, deli meats, and packaged cold cuts. They are high in sodium and preservatives. New research shows high sodium intake increases kidney stress and fluid retention. Food number 2. Dark sodas. Cola drinks contain phosphorus additives. Studies published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases link excess phosphorus to faster kidney function decline in vulnerable people. Food number 3. Instant noodles. Cheap, filling, and harmful in excess. They combine high sodium, refined carbs, and additives. This creates rapid fluid imbalance. Food number 4. Excess sugar. Not fruit sugar, but added sugar. According to Mayo Clinic, high blood sugar damages kidney filtering units over time. Even without diabetes, repeated spikes matter. Food number 5. Packaged salty snacks. Chips, crackers, and flavored popcorn. Easy to overeat, hard on kidneys. Sodium accumulates fast. Food number 6. Red meat in excess. Protein is important, but too much matters. Studies in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology suggest high animal protein increases acid load on kidneys. Balance is key. Food number 7. Artificial sweeteners in large amounts. Research is still evolving, but some observational studies link heavy use to reduced kidney filtration markers. This is not a ban, but a warning. None of these foods are poison. Dose and frequency decide impact. Some people tolerate them better, others do not, especially those with high blood pressure, diabetes, or family history of kidney disease. How I reduce the risk: less sodium, more water, balanced protein, real food. Tracking progress helped. Morning swelling, urine color, energy levels, simple signs but useful. Effects vary by health status and total intake. Some foods may not suit everyone. Consult your doctor before major diet changes, especially with kidney conditions. Kidneys respond to consistency, not extremes. Small changes reduce pressure. If this helped, tap like naturally. Protecting kidneys protects your future. Start today, gently.